To redeem a promo code on Duolingo, start by opening the Duolingo app on your device. If you do not have the app, download and install it from the App Store. Once the app is open, tap on the shop icon, which is usually represented by a shopping bag or a treasure chest. In the shop, scroll down to the Promotions section and tap on the Redeem a Promo Code option. This will bring up a text field where you can enter your promo code. Type in the promo code exactly as it appears, including any numbers, letters, or special characters. After entering the promo code, tap the Redeem button to apply the promotion to your account. If the promo code is valid, you will receive a confirmation message indicating the rewards or benefits you have unlocked. These rewards can include gems, coins, or other in-app items that can help you progress through the Duolingo lessons. It is essential to note that promo codes on Duolingo usually have expiration dates and may only be redeemable once per account. Therefore, make sure to use your promo code before it expires and only use it on one account to avoid any issues. To get the most out of your promo code, use it to purchase items that will enhance your learning experience, such as streak repair or bonus lessons. You can also use your redeemed items to accelerate your progress through the Duolingo curriculum. In conclusion, redeeming a promo code on Duolingo is a straightforward process that can provide you with valuable rewards and benefits. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily redeem your promo code and start enjoying the perks of being a Duolingo user. Remember to always use your promo code before it expires and only use it on one account to get the most out of your rewards.